When you lease, you don't own the car. You're effectively renting it until the contract ends. If it's written off or stolen before then, your insurer will only pay its market value, but your leasing company will want the full amount still owed. The difference could leave you thousands out of pocket. That's where Lease GAP Insurance steps in. It's not a legal requirement, but it protects you from depreciation. New cars lose up to 40% of value in 3 years. Mileage allowances. High mileage accelerates value loss. Unexpected shortfalls. Without cover, you could face big bills. When might you skip it? If your lease already includes GAP, you're driving a used car with slower depreciation, or you have the savings to cover any difference yourself. Bottom line, you don't have to buy GAP insurance on a lease, but unless you're comfortable paying off thousands for a car you can't drive, it's smart protection.